This is Tim here from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to screen mirror your Android phone to your smart TV. So on my Samsung phone, all I have to do is go to the top right and swipe down. And I have this option for Smart View screen mirroring. Now you might have a button that says casting or something like that. You just have to scroll through all these different buttons right here and locate screen mirroring, casting, or it could be a different name. But on my Samsung phone, I have to go to Smart View down here at the bottom. Tap this. Make sure your TV is turned on and you're connected to the same network. If you're connected to a different Wi-Fi network as your TV, it's simply not going to discover it. So make sure you're connected to the same network. That's the most important part. Then locate your TV on here. Mine's turned on. And I can tap my Google streaming device right here. And then I can go to Cast Entire Screen. Go to Cast Screen Now. So you can go to the same category right here to disable this, and then you won't be casting anymore. So this is showing up on my TV. I can see it in the back. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.